Good morning and happy weekend to you. It is Saturday. Sawyer's taking a nap. Had a pretty good morning this morning. Made breakfast. He got up way early, so that meant one of us had to be up. Chris was up late, so she was sleeping in a little bit. As such, Sawyer forced me out of bed. We got up, we watched some Olympics, which was nice. And yeah, now we're kind of getting the day started for real. Heading out on a little excursion. Gonna run over to a shop in town here because I heard there's a chance that they had something I've been looking for. So we're gonna go find out if they do, and if they do, we'll see if we can get it. Yeah, low-key Saturday. Did a lot of work on the Please Me Cookie site last night. You saw some of that in the video yesterday. Finally got the stock images replaced with custom ones. Have a lot of snacks to eat around the house now, which is either good or bad. I haven't quite decided yet. But yeah, good things going on. Feeling pretty good about everything. Packing scribe delivery today. We'll try to show some of that. And then also avoid spoilers. There's a new shopping center over here in town, and it just opened today. 2 stores, kind of neat. Almost just got hit by a BMW. Don't know if you could see that in the video. That was crazy. But yeah, all good things today. Pretty excited about everything. It's going to be a work day Saturday, which is fine, but that's how we got to do it sometimes. Important question. Do I need a psychic life coach? Let me know in the comments. Here, looking for a record. Failed trip. They had the record I wanted. I want the Hamilton soundtrack on vinyl in that original edition. And they had a special today. You could get 15% off because of a Facebook thing. But man, even 15% off, the price was about 15, 20 bucks too high. Can't mess around when it comes to value in records, you know what I'm saying? We're going to where Chick-fil-A is.
There's only one Chick-fil-A around here.
It's not true. I drove by one today.
Yeah, but I'm not driving all the way over on that side of town.
Cops, money trucks out, all sorts of stuff going on around here. It's crazy. Lunch with the family.
Blessed.
Sawyer's ready. This place is crazy. Alrighty, thank you.
My pleasure. May I get that table organizer?
Sure. Don't touch. A lot of trash in scribe delivery boxes. Slowly packing, taking it easy, not really going too quick. Always seems to be, or the last few months have seemed to fall, shipping has fallen on weekends. So we're usually either a couple days early or a couple days behind. This month we're pretty much right on schedule. These are going to ship 2-day mail, and they should get to people Tuesday and Wednesday. So feeling pretty good. No real rush here. Have to do some quick animal sitting. Check this out. Hi. What you doing? See, these are good kitties. Sister got cats. Gotta check in on them. You got it. It's pretty much just a cat video now, isn't it?